Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2014 Ford F450 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, 4-wheel drive, crew cab, XLT with power windows, locks, power seat, CD player, cloth interior, carpet. Loaded up for a work truck. It's got an 11-foot auto crane bed on it. It's got a auto crane and it has a Honda air compressor. We just put brand new tires all the way around it. 160,000 miles on it. It's a Texas truck with no rust. Really nice truck. Adjustable pedals, cruise control, dual tanks, loaded up for a work truck. You don't see these service trucks that are outfitted like this one. It's got dual reels. It's a 4,000-pound auto crane. This truck does still have all the emission stuff on it. Hasn't been tuned or deleted or anything. So if you live in a state that requires emissions, it still has all that on there. Passenger seat looks like it's never set in. We'll start it up. I'll show you the crane. $166.67 on the mileage. Just gonna show you the basic stuff on the crane: the up, down, side to side, all that good stuff. Up, winch down, extension out, extension in, side to side, boom down, winch up. Start this compressor. My guys put gas in it. I must be missing something here on the compressor because it's not. Oh, there we go. Pumping wind. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking at this truck and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door, somewhere around $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. This is a pretty big truck, crew cab with a 11-foot bed. New tires, 160,000 miles, work lights back here on the back, 4,000 pound crane, Honda air compressor. Just a really nice truck, XLT truck. We've had a lot of service trucks. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I just like that silver and the crew cab. We've had some red ones that I really liked, but you just don't, they're all white. Every one of them's always white. So it's nice to see something different. Give us a call, 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching.